Petros stone, where quality, design, and craftsmanship meet innovation. Today, we're diving deep into porcelain countertops, a product that's capturing the attention of homeowners, designers, and developers worldwide. So what exactly are porcelain countertops and how do they compare to quartz slabs? While both porcelain and quartz are durable, high-quality options, porcelain is made from natural clay fired at extremely high temperatures, making it heat-resistant, hard, and non-porous. This gives it a distinct advantage in areas like stain resistance and maintenance over quartz, while also allowing for thinner profile options and intricate realistic designs. Quartz stone slabs, on the other hand, are engineered surfaces made from crushed natural quartz mixed with resin binders. Let's start with the advantages. Porcelain offers an incredible level of design and resolution, much closer to the natural look of stone than many other man-made materials. This is because, unlike quartz, porcelain offers a very high-quality print with higher resolution. With advanced digital printing, porcelain slabs are able to replicate beautiful marble designs like Kalakata or Carrara at a fraction of the cost of natural marble. There's a virtually endless array of options with porcelain. From marble-like designs to solid colors, matte finishes to glossy, we have something to suit every taste. Our countertops come in multiple thicknesses and yes, even matte surfaces that are non-porous and stain-proof. So you get the best of both worlds, elegance and easy maintenance. Stainance is a breeze. Porcelain is non-porous, so it's naturally resistant to stains, bacteria, and even chemicals. Plus, it's hard and durable, meaning it's scratch-resistant and can withstand high heats. Now, before we go into the disadvantages, let's look at some of our featured porcelain designs. Now, let's take a look at some of our signature porcelain countertop designs, each crafted to bring a unique and luxurious aesthetic to your space. So first up, we have Kalakata Imperia. Our Kalakata Imperia brings the elegance of classic marble with soft flowing veining, perfect for a timeless and refined look. Next up, we have Golden Pasa. The Golden Pasa features warm gold tones that add a sophisticated glowing element to any countertop. Next up, we have Crema Monana. If you're after a hint of color, Crema Monana combines creamy beige hues with delicate blue undertones, creating a calming and complementary palette. Fourth, Matte Terrazzo. For a more modern and textured look, our Matte Terrazzo offers a non-glossy surface that's both stain-proof and visually engaging. Next up, we have Black Marquina. Black Marquina is a classic choice with deep black tones and fine white veining, ideal for creating bold contrasts in any kitchen or bathroom. Next up, we have Electra Blue and Lumic Ivory. For those who want to make a statement, Lumic Ivory offers a bright and elegant finish, while Electra Blue brings a striking bold color option for adventurous designers. Now, let's be transparent about some potential downsides. Porcelain, while hard, can be brittle and is prone to chipping if not handled carefully. The edges are especially vulnerable, so it's important to use care during installation. Another aspect to consider is the design on the edges. Because porcelain slabs are digitally printed, the design doesn't flow over the edges. So, if you're profiling the edges, you may notice a break in the design, with a solid color on the edge instead. Edge profiling can also be tricky due to the hardness of the material. Porcelain slabs are also large, which can be challenging to handle, cut, and install. It's essential to have professionals with experience in porcelain installation for the best results. Plus, because the design is printed, if you're using multiple slabs from the same design, it can look repetitive and make a larger surface look artificial. In high-end countertop installations, 45-degree joining is a technique often used to achieve seamless mitred edges which add a sophisticated modern look to the design. This technique involves precisely cutting the edges of two adjoining slabs at a 45-degree angle, allowing them to align perfectly without a visible seam, creating a continuous flow of the pattern across the edge. For porcelain countertops, achieving a flawless 45-degree join requires specialized cutting tools and skilled craftsmanship as the material is brittle and challenging to work with. But the end result is striking, a sleek solid edge that enhances the illusion of a thicker, more substantial slab, all while maintaining the elegance of porcelain's natural stone appearance. Waterfall countertops are a design feature where the countertop surface extends vertically down the sides of the cabinetry, creating a stunning uninterrupted waterfall effect. Porcelain is an ideal choice for waterfall countertops because of its range of realistic stone patterns, thin profile options, and stain-resistant properties. With porcelain, you get the look of luxurious marble or stone cascading down the sides without the high cost or maintenance of natural stone. First, let's look at Decton. This brand is widely known for its durability and resilience. Decton is actually a combination of porcelain, glass, and quartz, creating an incredibly robust, non-porous surface that's highly resistant to scratches, stains, and heat. Because of its strength, it's ideal for high-traffic areas like kitchens. Decton offers a range of textures and colors from ultra-modern looks to classic marble-inspired designs. However, keep in mind that this is a premium product, so it does come with a higher price tag. Decton backs its quality with comprehensive warranties and testing certifications, giving you peace of mind that your investment will last. Next, we have Sapien Stone. Sapien Stone brings great value with its durable, high-quality slabs that closely mimic natural stone. It's particularly known for offering large slab sizes, which is ideal if you're looking for a seamless, uninterrupted design across your surface. Sapien Stone is an excellent choice if you want quality without reaching the top price tier. Although the selection isn't as extensive as other brands, Sapien Stone does offer certified testing and warranties, making it a reliable mid-range option. Then there's Neolith, another popular choice, especially for those who value sustainability. Neolith's eco-friendly manufacturing process and durable surfaces make it stand out in the industry. Its slabs are highly resistant to scratches, UV light, and high temperatures, so they work well both indoors and outdoors. Neolith is considered a premium brand, which means a higher price point, but the quality and versatility, along with the strong warranties and extensive certifications, make it worth considering for luxury projects. Now, let's talk about Laminam. Laminam is known for its ultra-thin, large-format slabs which appeal to minimalist and modern design sensibilities. Its lightweight slabs are versatile and can be used for countertops, wall cladding, and more. With a wide range of textures and finishes from matte to high gloss, Laminam offers options that replicate the look of marble, wood, and other natural materials. Laminam is competitively priced, and the unique thinness of its slabs offers a sleek contemporary look that few other brands provide. And finally, let's talk about Petros Stone. Our brand is all about versatility and value. We combine high-resolution realistic designs with durable stain-resistant surfaces at a price point that makes porcelain countertops more accessible. Petros Stone offers a constantly refreshed selection. New colors and patterns are added regularly while older styles are phased out. This means you can always find something modern, classic, or entirely unique. Petros Stone countertops come with warranties and comprehensive testing certifications, so you get both variety and reliability. So, how to decide on the right brand for your needs? While Decton, Neolith, and Laminam are globally recognized and known for premium durability and quality, they often come at a higher price. They also have a more limited, fixed selection of colors and styles, which works well if you're looking for consistent availability in timeless designs. Petros Stone, on the other hand, stands out for its flexibility and evolving design range. We pride ourselves on staying on top of design trends and keeping our color palette fresh. So, if you want an affordable yet high-quality countertop that fits both classic and current styles, Petros Stone offers outstanding value without compromising on performance. It's also wise to look at warranty options and certifications. Reputable brands will offer warranties and perform rigorous testings for things like stain resistance, heat resistance, and durability. A strong warranty like those offered by Dectin, Neolith, and Petros stone can give you confidence in your investment. Ultimately, the right porcelain brand depends on your needs, your style, and of course, your budget. If you're ready to explore more or need expert advice, reach out to our team at Petros Stone. We'll help you find the perfect match for your home or project so you get both the quality and the style you're looking for. So, is porcelain right for you? Porcelain countertops are a fantastic choice if you're looking for style with the peace of mind of a non-porous stain-proof surface. If you're confident in handling the surface with care and can access skilled installers, porcelain will be a great long-term investment. But if you're not sure about the level of care required or if you need intricate edge profiling, you might want to consider other options. Porcelain can be brittle with rough use and complex edge designs might not give you the best results. At Petros Stone, we encourage you to consult with architects and designers or reach out to our team for guidance. As one of the leading manufacturers and exporters of porcelain products worldwide, we can help you import and even prefabricate these countertops to fit your kitchen design needs perfectly. We supply porcelain countertops to hotels, homes, and businesses globally, ensuring they achieve that world-class finish without compromising on quality. So, whether you're looking to create a timeless kitchen at home or seeking high-quality surfaces for commercial spaces, Petros Stone has you covered. Thank you for joining us today to learn more about porcelain countertops. If you're ready to explore the possibilities, contact Petros Stone. From stunning designs to reliable quality, we're here to help you make the best choice for your space. Visit our website, reach out to our team, and let us bring your vision to life. Until next time, here's to beautiful functional spaces with Petros Stone.